In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload email list to Freshsales. To get started, sign into your Freshsales account and look at the left sidebar. Click on the Contacts tab. This opens your contacts list view, where you can manage existing records and bring in new ones from a file. Next, in the list view, click the Import Contacts button. Freshsales will guide you through a simple import setup so your data lands in the right place. When prompted, choose the format of your file. Select CSV or Excel, depending on what you have saved on your computer. Before you upload, it helps to make sure your file has clear column headers like name, email, company, or phone, because those headers will be used during mapping. Now choose what you want to import. You can import just contacts, or you can import contacts and accounts. If your file includes company or account information, and you want Freshsales to create or connect those company records, choose Contacts and Accounts. If your list is only people details, Contacts is the simpler option. After that, upload your file. You can browse your device to select it, or you can drag and drop it into the upload area. Once the file is uploaded, you will move to the Map column screen. This is where accuracy matters most. Match each column from your file to the correct Freshsales field. For example, map your file column labeled Email to the Freshsales field labeled Email. Take a moment to scan for any unmapped columns so you do not miss important data. Next, choose your import type. If you select Create New Contacts, Freshsales adds everything as new records. If you select Update Only Existing Contacts, it will only change contacts already in your CRM. If you select Create New and Update Existing, Freshsales will add new records and update duplicates. You will also decide how to handle duplicates. Choose whether Freshsales should skip matches, overwrite existing data, or update without overwrite to avoid replacing fields you want to keep. Then assign an owner. You can assign all imported contacts to one user, or map a column in your file to the sales owner field if ownership varies. If you use marketing lists, you can check the option to subscribe contacts to emails, but only for contacts who have consented. Finally, click Import Now. Freshsales will process the import and send an email summary when it is complete. And that covers everything you need to know.